I took inspiration from the really beautiful logo they've designed for this horse race, and I translated it from a two-dimensional into a three-dimensional object. As I worked with it, I tried to shift some dimensions into it and get the horses to recede and come forward, and also to look more aggressive towards one another. I brought in some scratch marks and finger marks and loosened the whole thing up a bit. And as I got more and more relaxed, I think the better the sculpture became. Initially you have your sculpture. I've made it in clay. It goes to the foundry where they make a mold of this in rubber, and they pour wax into this mold. This then gets fettled and finished by very expert hands at the foundry. The wax gets runners and risers and a pouring cup. The wax gets dipped into a slurry, which then creates a crust around this object. It then gets taken up to the actual foundry, which is where the pouring of the bronze happens. This bronze then gets poured by a team of 10 people into these molds. Your final stage is your patina. They take chemicals, they heat up the bronze, they brush and spray chemicals onto the bronze to literally speed up the process that bronze would go through anyway. The final coat is a wax coat, which then seals the color into the bronze. Bronze always has been the most valuable material in sculpture. It has weight, it has gravitas. It's true to the mark and to everything that the artist says in the piece.